Welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we'll be taking a look at the commonly used but often confusing DIN connectors.
This is the 5-pin mini DIN female panel mount solder connector. To install, you will need the following items: low voltage cable, wire strippers, solder and soldering iron, and the DIN connector. Measure how far you will need to strip back the jacket by holding the cable up against the base of the connector. Then strip the cable jacket using the wire strippers.
For this example, we will be using Cat 5e cable.
You will also need to strip the individual conductors. Trim off any additional conductors if needed.
Now comes the hard part: soldering. If you are new to soldering, it is recommended to find someone who's more experienced for the best results.
There are 5 solder points on the connector, corresponding to the pins at the front of the connector.
Be aware there is not a standard wiring for DIN connectors, and the wiring can widely vary between different devices and applications. Please consult any wiring information you have available to determine which conductors should be wired to each pin.
After soldering is complete, you can now mount the connector. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the 5-pin mini DIN female panel mount solder connector.
For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.